Hi, this is Rozanne with RR Designs, and I want to take you through a quilt repair that I did. It's to a LoneStar quilt, and I'm going to show you a video of what I did and what the project's about, and then come back to a couple pictures that I did, and I'll tell you about them, and then I'll end with another short video, but I hope you like this. Okay, hold on, I'm going to share my screen. And here we go. Here we go. Hi, I'm Rozanne with RR Designs, and I got a project from a friend, and she needed to have all the beige ones replaced in this star quilt. And I already have most of them done, but I wanted to show you what I was doing with it, because I actually had to learn how to do these points to put them in there. But what I did was I measured how big the diamond is that I had to replace, about 2.5 inches by 5.5 inches. So I cut my piece that big, and then I folded it, like just pressed it with my fingers and put it on one of the sides, and then measured it, and then folded it on the other side. And I actually have one done, and I got it to go on like that. And then I pinned it to hold it down on all 4 sides. And then on another one, I'll show you how I did it. It's kind of like binding, just going in at one stitch where I came out at, going about 1/4 inch, and then coming out and pulling. Then I wanted to show you how I did a point. With all these points, I actually found a good YouTube that showed me how to do one of these points. I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's come over here. And let me go like this. And I'm going to come up to this point. Ignore this string right here. I'm just going to come up to show you how I did this. And they say go right up to the point that I had folded over. See this point? I'm going to put my needle right inside that crease right there. Right there. Like that. And I found that I had to stabilize it with another little tiny stitch to get that point to hold down. And the next part is really cool. Okay, that should do it. And then you stabilize it, and then with your needle, you fold it inside of there. And it just goes in there really, you kind of fan it in underneath there. And then start taking a tiny stitch. That's how to do a point. And you'd think I have 59 of these diamonds. And you can get good at it after 59 of them. Maybe 118. Yeah, 118. I'm just really just showing you how to do the tip of this diamond. And if you have to cut any excess off, that helps too with getting that flap inside there. And then just continue down the side, and it looks like that. So ignore that string right there. But that's how to do that diamond on the end of that, and then just keep going down. But I just wanted to show you what I was doing. I'm going to show you when it's done, because then I'll come back and I'll I'll quilt around each one of the diamonds, and I'll show you that when I come back. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next step. Bye.
Okay, then I wanted to show you some pictures that I did. Let me do it to a slideshow. And this is what it looks like. This is in this first picture, I was getting started putting all the beige diamonds on it. I got a tip from a quilt appraiser. I had a question for her on another project that I was doing, and she was really gracious to share information for that one. And then I was telling her about this one, and I thought I was going to have to take out each one of these previous blocks and then put the new fabric in underneath it, and I would have had to take out all the owner's quilting. And she said, no, just applique, each diamond on top of them. And I'm like, oh, that's such a brilliant idea. So then again, in the next picture, here's me putting the diamonds around all of them, pinning them on, and then just as in the video, sewing them on, hand applique, all of them, all 59 of them. And then again, coming to the end and getting done with all 59 of them appliqued on. It was quite a project. It took about 20 minutes to do each diamond, to applique it on. It was quite a process, but it was, very rewarding. So here, let me go back, and I've got another video that ends this. So hold on just a second. Okay.
Hi, this is Rozanne Ritter with RR Designs, and I'm almost hand stitching all my beige triangles. And I just wanted to show you how I've been doing it. I found that this was the simplest way for me right now. I don't have a loop, so the quilt is kind of big. So I thought I would just do it like this. Take a single strand and go in, come underneath, go back up, and then take it like a couple stitches at a time. This is my method. While I've been doing this, I've been thinking about the original lady. Her name is Iva, and this is Darla's grandmother. She passed away in 1974. And Darla has had her quilt since then, and she just wanted to have these beige triangles replaced, and I'm quilting them right now by hand. And this whole time that I've been doing this, I've been thinking about Iva and how she put this quilt together, because even just quilting the beige blocks have been very time consuming, as well as a lot of work with the hands. And I was thinking about Iva and how old she might have been, and I'm getting that piece of information to see when her birthday was, because I was thinking if she passed away in 1974, she could have been 84 or even 94 when she did this, and this is all done by hand. So I've been thinking about her and what it would have been like to hold this quilt and do all these stitches with her hands, wondering if her hands had arthritis, or, just wonder what was going on in her mind. Whether she could even see too. see the stitches. So I wondered about that too with her last years of her life making this quilt. But I'm almost done. It took me about 15 minutes to do one diamond. And I kind of did two at a time. I kind of did half of one and then I jumped to the other half with this amount of thread, just because it kind of got a little boring. You know, there were 59 blocks that I had to do. So that times 15 minutes a piece. It took some time, but I did enjoy doing it. One thing's nice is Ivis blocks are very simple. Her quilting is very simple. And so therefore, I wasn't stressed about how perfect it was. But it has helped the quilt out to keep it for a lot longer period of time. So I just wanted to show you what I was doing, how I was doing this. I'm almost done. I just have this one to go also, and then I'll be finished. I hope you like this process of applicating the block on, and then simple quilt binding around it. I hope my friend likes her quilt. But I hope you like this process, and if you liked it, please like and share this video with others, and I hope you catch me on my next project. Take care. Have a good day.
Thanks everyone for watching. See you on the next video.